It is necessary for periodic maintenance, tooling replacement, and general maintenance and repair to have to enter the machine enclosure. Proper entry is imperative to your safety. You should always follow all safety protocols mentioned in this video and in accordance to local and government regulations as well as your company's safety policies. First, press any emergency stop button on the machine. This engages the brakes on the robot, which helps to stop accidental movement of the arm. Then turn the key to the unlocked position and place the key in your pocket. As long as the key is in your possession, master start cannot be obtained and the machine will not operate. Finally, using a 5/16 hex key wrench, unlatch the top and bottom latches and open the door. Some things to know. Access doors cannot be opened unless the machine is e-stopped and the key is in the unlocked position. The machine cannot be powered up if the key is in the unlocked position. The key cannot be removed while in the locked position. In this state or condition, there is no power to the robot motors and they cannot be operated by any means. There is still power on the machine which maintains the position of all 6 axes by keeping the power on the brakes and of the revolution counters. It is for this reason that this method of entry is suggested for general PM and tool replacement. However, because not all power is off to the entire machine, some maintenance procedures may require the lockout-tagout process to be followed. It may also be required by company policy or local or government safety regulations that lockout-tagout be followed whenever entering the machine enclosure. In these cases, follow the appropriate lockout-tagout procedures. Machine electrical may be locked out at the main power disconnect. High voltage electrical power will still be present at the top of the disconnect switch inside the main cabinet and may be required to be locked out at the first power source disconnect prior to this point. Note, any movement to the robot arm while the main power is off will result in loss of position and require the revolution counters to be updated. Pneumatics may be locked out at the air filter, regulator, push-button shut-off valve.